Found dark mold in your home and wondering if it's dangerous? Here's what you actually need to know before you panic or grab the bleach. You can't identify toxic black mold just by looking at it. Dozens of mold species appear black or dark green, and some lighter colored molds are just as harmful. True black mold, called Stachybotrys, needs weeks of constant moisture on materials like drywall or wood. A small bathroom spot is more likely common surface mold. Location matters. Mold hidden behind walls or in a crawl space that's been wet for months is a much bigger concern than mold on a bathroom grout line. Never paint or caulk over mold, and bleach won't fix the problem on drywall or wood. It can actually add moisture and make things worse. Don't disturb a large mold colony before you're ready. Scrubbing or vacuuming can release millions of spores and spread contamination through your whole home. The EPA says patches smaller than 10 square feet may be safe for a healthy adult to handle carefully. Anything larger needs a professional assessment. If mold is in your HVAC system, has come back after a previous cleanup, or someone in the home has breathing problems, stop DIYing and call a certified contractor. Don't guess with your family's health. Call National Restoration Construction at 206-883-0333 for a free